Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Scott with Etchus.
I'm John.
We're gonna do a little cleaning on the motor today to prep it for paint. And we found a little tool, where was it, from Harbor Freight?
From Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight, that apparently takes compressed air and takes mineral spirits, and together you're able to supposedly clean the motor. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. We've got the motor prepped. We've done some taping off to keep the areas we don't want this stuff getting into sealed off. And we'll show you what we think and how this works.
So here's what we've got. This is a little engine cleaner brush from Harbor Freight. Hooks the compressed air here. This little tube goes down here to a can of mineral spirits. And let's see what happens. Now that we've got it a little bit wet, we'll take a regular paintbrush, kind of work some of this in here, then come back and rinse it. Well, it seems to be working somewhat. We're just trying to get the oil off of it so we can come back with a scotchbright pad and give it a nice surface that will let the Cerakote adhere to the motor.
And again, whether you're Cerakoting your motor like we are, or even just doing it with some of the engine paint that comes from O'Reilly's and some of the other popular auto part chains, this is just, again, a really good way to get things prepped and ready to go. All right, so next up, we're gonna paint the block. What we ended up doing, we left the oil pan on here. We're gonna go back afterwards and remove it, re-strip it and do it, but to keep everything underneath nice and clean and safe, we left that on. I'm gonna throw this mask on. Don't forget, safety first. This stuff is really, really, really stinky. But follow along. We're gonna show you how to paint the block.